Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss question number 7 from exercise 20A. The cost of carpeting a room 15 meter long with a carpet of width 75 centimeter at rupees 80 per meter is rupees 19,200. Find the width of the room. So length of the room that is given, that is 15 meter long. That means length is 15 meter. Width is not given. Room's width we have to find out. So width of the room be x meter. Now here per meter carpet cost rupees 80, that is given, and total expenditure 19,200, that is also given. So by unitary method we can find out the total length of the carpet. So rupees 80 is the cost of one meter carpet, that is the length of the carpet, 1 meter carpet. 1 is the cost of 1 by 80 meter carpet, and rupees 19,200 is the cost of that means 240 meter carpet. The length of the carpet is 240 meter. Length of carpet equal to 240 meter. Width of the carpet, that is given 75 centimeter, so it should be converted into meter. 0.75 meter. Now here the area of the carpet and area of the room will be same, so that will be the according to the condition. Area of carpet equal to area of room. Then room area is 15 into x, and this is 240 into 0.75. So if x will be fixed in the right side, then 15 will come in the down of the left side. Then for this point 100 will come in the down. Then by 25 we can cut it. By 4 this is 60. 15 4s are 60. So 4 into 3, that means 12. X equal to 12. Implies x equal to 12. Therefore width of the room is 12 meter. Now question number 8. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are in the ratio of 5:3. Ratio of length and breadth be 5:3. If the total cost of fencing it at rupees 24 per meter is rupees 9,600, find its length and breadth. Total cost of fencing. Fencing means to give bamboo stick in the boundary of the rectangular field. That is fencing. That means there is telling perimeter. So we have to find out perimeter by using this cost. Let common ratio be x, then length be 5x meter and breadth be 3x meter. Then by unitary method we can find out the perimeter. That means rupees 24 is the cost of 1 meter fencing. Rupees 1 is the cost of 1 by 24. Then rupees 9,600 is the cost of 1 by 24 into 9,600 meter. Then by 24 it can be cut. This is 400 meter. Then here we have to find out the length and breadth. Length and breadth is this 5x and 3x, and this is perimeter. So perimeter equal to 400. Then the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth equal to 400. Here we'll put the value of length and breadth. So 2 into 5x plus 3x equal to 400 implies 2 into 8x equal to 400. X equal to 400 divided by 2 into 8. Then 2 to the 4, 0 0, 8 to the 16, 8 5 is 40. That means x equal to 25. Therefore length equal to 5 into 25, that means 125 meter, and breadth equal to 3 into 25, that means 75 meter. These are the answers. Now coming to question number 11. Find the area of the square, the length of whose diagonal is. Question number 2 I am doing here. Length of diagonal is 2.4 meter. So here we have to find out the area of the square. So here one formula I will use. Area of the square equal to half into diagonal square That means here we can put easily the diagonal and then find out the area. 2.4 square 1 by 2 into 2.4 into 2.4, that means 1.2. Then we have to multiply it. Must be, that is square unit, that means meter square. So 2.88 meter square. Therefore, area of the square is 2.88 meter square. Now question number 13. The area of the square field is half hectare. Find the length of its diagonal or in meters. So here 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. That you have to remember. 1 hectare, that means 10,000 meter square. So half hectare means what? That we will find out. Half into 10,000. Then this is 5,000 meter square. Now this is the area. Area equal to 5,000 meter square. What to find out? The length of its diagonal in meter. That means area equal to half into diagonal square then diagonal equal to what will be? This 2 will come here. 2 into area equal to diagonal square. If I will remove this square, then this will be root. Root 2 into area. Then diagonal equal to root 2 into area means 5,000. I am putting the value of area meter. Then this is 5 to 10, that means 10,000. Then this means 100 square. So diagonal equal to 100 meter. When it will come out from the root, then it will be square free number, that means 100. Therefore, the length of the diagonal is 100 meter. Now coming to question number 15. A wire is in the shape of square of side 10 cm. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 cm, find its breadth. So this is the square shape wire, that is 10 cm each side. A wire is look like this type of. This is the wire. When it will be bent, then this square shape is come. When it will rebend, then this rectangular shape is come. That means by this wire, this square is one time made and this rectangle is another time made. That means its perimeter is same. Length of the wire will be same for the both cases. That means by this wire, this square is shaped and this rectangle is shaped. That means perimeter is same for the both cases. So let's find the perimeter of square. Each side of square shaped is 10 cm, then perimeter is 4 into side, that means 4 into 10, that means 40 cm. Then here for the rectangle, for rectangle shaped length is 12 centimeter, that is given. Breadth, I am taking here B centimeter. Then its perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Then here perimeter of the square shaped, perimeter of square shaped equal to perimeter of rectangular shaped. So perimeter of square shaped means 40 equal to perimeter of rectangle shape means 2 into length plus breadth. Then I am putting here this value 12 plus B, 40 equal to, then implies 40 by 2 equal to 12 plus B. Then I am doing here implies 20, this can be cut, equal to 12 plus B, that means 20 minus 12, so B equal to 8. Now the last part of this question, that is which figure encloses more area and by how much. So for both the cases we have to find out the area. So for square, area equal to side square that means 10 square, that means 100 centimeter square. For rectangle, area equal to length into breadth, equal to length is 12 centimeter into breadth is 8 centimeter square, that means 96 centimeter square. So here square shaped where encloses more area. Square shaped where encloses more area and by how much, that means we have to subtract, and by 100 minus 96, that means 4 centimeter square. Now question number 16. A godown is 50 meter long, 40 meter broad and 10 meter high. Find the cost of whitewashing its 4 walls and ceiling at rupees 20 per square meter. Here I have drawn a cuboid shape. Suppose this is a room. This length is 50 meter, breadth is 40 meter and height is 10 meter. So here area of the 4 walls, that formula I discussed in the introduction video. So first we have to find out the 4 walls area, that means back wall, side 2 walls and this front wall. And with it we have to find out the ceiling. Ceiling means this length into breadth. So that also will be involved with 4 walls. So first we will see the area of the 4 walls. Length equal to 50 meter, breadth equal to 40 meter, height equal to 10 meter. So area of 4 walls of the room equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. So here I am putting the values of length, breadth and height. Length is 50, breadth is 40 into height 10. That means 2 into 90 into 10. That means 1800 meter square. That is the area of the 4 walls. Area of the ceiling. Area of ceiling equal to length into breadth. This upper surface, that is 50 into 40. That means meter square, 2000 meter square. Total area 1800 plus 2000. That means 3800 meter square. Now 1 meter square whitewashing cost rupees 20. Then what will be the cost of 3800 meter square whitewashing? 1 meter square of whitewashing cost rupees 20. Then what is the cost of 3800 meter square? That will be multiplied. That means 20 into 3800. That means 76,000 rupees. Therefore, total cost of whitewashing is rupees 76,000. Now question number 18. The area of the 4 walls of a room is 77 meter square. The length and breadth of the room are 7.5 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. Find the height of the room. That means area of 4 walls of the room is 77 meter square. So what is the formula of area of the 4 walls? That is, we know 2 into length plus breadth into height. Okay, but length is given and breadth also given. Length equal to 7.5 meter and breadth equal to 3.5 meter. So here I I am putting the formula of 4 walls area. 2 into length plus breadth into height equal to 77. Then here I am putting the value of length and breadth, that is 7.5 plus 3.5 into height means I am taking here h. Let height be h meter. Here is 77. Then this will be calculated. 2 into 11.0 into h equal to 77. Then h will be fixed here in the left side. Then 77 divided by 11 into 2. 11 7 is 77. So here h equal to 7 by 2. That means 3.5. So therefore height is 3.5 meter. Now question number 20. A room is 8.5 meter long, 6.5 meter broad and 3.4 meter high. So first I am writing this one. Length of room equal to 8.5 meter, breadth equal to 6.5 meter, height equal to 3.4 meter. Now it has two doors, each measuring 1.5 meter by 1 meter, and two windows, each measuring 2 meter and 1 meter. So first we have to find out the two doors area. What will be the area of the two doors and what will be the area of the two windows? So area of two doors equal to 2 into, here dimensions given, that is 1.5 meter into 1 meter. So this is the area of each door, 1.5 into 1, that is the area of each door. So 2 doors means 2 into this area. That means 2 into 1.5 meter square. Then the answer is 3 meter square. Now the area of the two windows equal to 2 into, here also windows dimensions given 2 meter and 1 meter. So 2 into 1 meter square, this is the area of one window. So 2 windows area means 2 into this area, that means 2 into 2 meter square, that means 4 meter square. Now find the cost of painting its 4 walls at rupees 160 per meter square. When we will find out the area of the 4 walls, then from the area of 4 walls, that 2 doors area and 2 windows area will be deducted, because that is the empty space. That door space and window space is empty. So we have to deduct this area from the 4 walls area. So area of 4 walls, at first we will find out 4 walls equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. So 2 into length plus breadth means 8.5 plus 6.5 into 3.4. 2 into 15.0 into 3.4, that means 30 into 3.4, that means 102 meters square. Then from this 4 walls area, that doors area and windows area will be deducted. That means without doors and windows, the area of 4 walls. That means painting will be done only on the 4 walls, not in the empty space of the door and window. So 102 minus that 3 plus 4 meter square, that means 102 minus 7 meter square, that means 95 meter square. So now cost is given, 1 meter square cost, painting cost 160 rupees. So what will be the cost of 95 meter square painting cost? Now 1 meter square painting cost rupees 160. Then 95 meter square painting cost 160 into 95. So 95 meter square painting cost rupees 15,200. Therefore total cost is rupees 15,200.